We have a question on probability. For more on this, you need to subscribe to this channel. A fair coin is tossed 3 times and the sequence of outcome observed. We are asked to find the whole of this. So you need to subscribe to this channel to get more of this. All we need to do is to find a sample space first before we find this. So solution. We are told that a fair coin is tossed 3 times. So if a fair coin is tossed 2 times first, our sample space will be, as we all know, a coin comprises of the head and the tail. So this is one coin, this is another coin. So if 2 coin is tossed, we get either the head and head will show up, or the head and tail will show up, or the tail and head will show up, or the tail and tail will show up, meaning that the sample space will be equal to head head, or head tail, or tail head, or tail tail. So if 2 coin is tossed, this is what we'll get. Now we are asked to find all of this, but we have looked for 2 coin tossed. If 3 coin is tossed, see what we get. The sample space will be, we'll take these 2, head head, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. We'll now add another coin, which is making it 3 coins. So our sample space will be either head, head, head will show up if you throw 3 coins. Then head, head, tail will show up, or head, tail, head will show up, or head, tail, tail will show up, or tail, head, head will show up, or tail, head, tail will show up, or tail, tail, head will show up, or tail, tail, tail will show up. So our sample space will now be head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, or tail, tail, tail. So these are the possible outcomes. They are the possible outcomes we can get if we toss 3 coins. And if we count it, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our sample space here is 8. And we are asked to find out the probability of A, that means first toss is head. To find first toss is head, we look at the sample space. This first toss is head, first toss is head, first toss is head, first toss is head. Here, first toss is tail, so we don't take this. First toss is tail, first toss is tail, we don't take it. First toss is tail, we don't take it. So the probability of A is equal to first toss is head. We'll take this 4. Head, head, head. First toss is head. Head, head, tail. First toss is head. Head, tail, head. First toss is head. And head, tail, tail. First toss is head. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our probability to be 4 all over 8. And if we reduce this, we get 1 all over 2. The second one, B. Second toss is head. probability of B. Second toss is head. This is head, the second toss, head, second toss, head, second toss, and head, second toss. So we take head, head, head. Here the second toss is head. Here, head, head, tail. Here the second toss is head. Here, tail, head, head. Second toss is head, and tail, head, tail. Second toss is head. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 all over 8 as well, which is 1 all over 2. Then you see exactly 2 heads appear in first row. Exactly 2 heads appear in first row. That is the probability of exactly 2 heads appear in first row. We have this 2 heads appear in first row, 2 heads appear in first row. Here none, here none, 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 none. So we have head, head, tail. 2 heads appear in first row. Here, head, 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 head. Then head, head, tail. So if we can't, we have 1, 2, which is 2 all over the sample space, which is 1 all over 4. Now we are asked to find A union B. A union B from all of these things we have gotten. Of course, this is H. So we are asked to find A union B. I. A union B the set of all elements in A or B or both of them. So we have A union B, we have head, head, head. They are common, we'll take one. This is common, we'll also take one. Head, head, tail. So we take this, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail. We take this, tail, head, head, and tail, head, tail. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 6 all over 8. 2 here is 3, 2 here is 4. So we have 3 all over 4 as our answer there. We are also asked to find A intersection B. A intersection B. The set of all elements that is common to both A and B. If you watch out, this and this is common. Head, head, head. So we take one. This and this is common. We have head, head, tail. They are not common. They are not common. So we just have 2, which is 2 all over 8, which is 1 all over 4. We are also asked to find B intersection C. B intersection C. B intersection C. This and this is common. Head, head, head is common. Head, head, tail is common. Nothing again. There's still 2 all over 8, which is 1 all over 4. 4. We are asked to find B union C. union C, B union C, B union C. This is common, this is common. So we take 1. Head, head, head. This is common. Head, head, tail. We have this as part of the set. Tail, head, head, and tail, head, tail. Finished. B union C. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4 all over 8. 4 here, 1. 4 here, 2. So our answer is 1 all over 2. We also asked to find the probability of A union B. The probability of A union B. The probability of A union B. The probability of A union B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. So what do we have as our probability of A? The probability of A will have it as 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2. So the probability of A is 1 all over 2. And the probability of B is also 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2. Of course, if you add these two, we get 1. So this is how we can compute probability of this kind. For more on this, you need to subscribe to this channel.